Hey guys, welcome to this guitar lesson. I'm going to show you a very easy beginner guitar chord progression. Okay, and only contains two chords, which is E minor and A sus2. The position of it, and I'd preferably say use your middle finger and your ring finger, and you want to have them on the A string and the D string of the second fret. Okay, so fret 1, fret 2 on the A string and the D string. The next way for the A sus2, you want to then just move it up 1. So from there to there. So it's going to be on the D string, and then it's going to be on the G string of the second fret. The good news about this as well is most of the strings are open. For the E, it's going to be everything. For the A sus2, it's going to be everything bar the low E string, so the top 5 strings. My recommendation upon playing there is going to be that you can choose your own strum pattern, you can choose your own rhythm. Just get to a way to where you feel comfortable in shifting from the shapes. Effectively, think of them as bouncing between the strings. So you're like jumping from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. If you prefer, use these fingers instead, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Okay, so go something like this. And there you go, you've literally got two chords, a nice little chord progression there, nice and easy for beginning guitarists. Please like and subscribe this video, check out the description, I will put a buy me a coffee link down below. Would really appreciate if you could support me and this channel in any way that you can. But thanks again.